Unionville College really made it a priority that everyone was kind and respected each other because that's the first foundation of building friendships and meeting new people.
I'm Agnes Stowicki, Managing Editor with Our Kids. We're speaking with insiders from Canada's leading private and independent schools to bring you insights into school programs, culture, traditions, and leadership. This includes insights from parents, alumni, and administration. This is the Our Kids Insider Perspective.
I most appreciate the hands-on learning opportunities that Unionville College provided us throughout Montessori and grade 8. The teachers were extremely accommodating and they really prioritized one-on-one learning that allowed us to apply what we learned in the classroom in the real world. For example, we had access to 3D printers, laser printers, we were able to code and program robots. And that's all for technology, but in a whole other landscape. I mean, we were able to go to France for French enrichment, New York for Model United Nations. I mean, I think these hands-on learning opportunities are really what stay with us, alumni, throughout our careers and throughout our life. So I've attended a couple other schools before I graduated from Unionville College, and I think the most different or most unique aspect of this school was that it really produced a well-rounded student. And that was with the help of administration, staff, teachers, and even other students around us. As a student, your daily schedule looked like math, English, science, drama, theater, gym, among other classes. And even these really prioritized creating a well rounded student, but then we were able to immerse ourselves within extracurricular activities such as charity work or student council, which is planning an event, or Model United Nations, like I did, or even like attending a sports event. And I think these activities really gave us the opportunities to create well rounded students and um, experience new opportunities and find new interests, which is extremely important for university applications and even employment opportunities because nowadays people are really looking for well rounded students that are able to bring something new to their communities and are really true change makers. This is a really interesting question, and I personally think that if Unionville College was a person, I would definitely want to be their friend. I think that their three personality traits would be kindness, innovation, and perseverance. First, for kindness, I think that in a school environment where there's so many young people who are growing and learning new things, Unionville College really made it a priority that everyone was kind and respected each other because that's the first foundation of building friendships and meeting new people. Second, for innovation, I think that Unionville College provided us unmatched learning opportunities. Whether it was in musical theater or technology, we were able to experiment with new art mediums, or I mean, I would see 3D printers on the news, and then the next thing I knew, they were in our school building, which was insane. The staff and administration at Unionville College were so innovative, and that really transferred on to us students because we were always trying to push our boundaries and explore new things. For perseverance, we were always taught to, again, push our boundaries and get to know each other and ourselves better as human beings and persevere when we face problems. One thing that connects the students to Unionville College is the method of learning or learning strategies used by teachers at the school. In my experience, I think that what was most helpful and what stayed with me even till now is the learning strategies and the ways that teachers would teach, because I found it was much more helpful rather than previous schools that I've been at. For example, teachers would find creative ways to help students apply their learning, whether that was going outside for a certain subject or a certain class, or creating a diagram, or playing a game that would help us understand um, what the teacher is teaching better. And it was much more helpful than the traditional way of teaching, which is reading a textbook or writing tests. I think that this also made class much more engaging, and we were able to get to know other students and even our teacher better. The core values of Unionville College that have really stuck with me and are with me every single day are respect and giving back to our community. First, for respect, because again, Unionville College really taught us that respect was the foundation for all our relationships, and we must respect everyone in our community. And the second is giving back to our community, because Unionville College gave us a lot of opportunities to get to know our community and reminded us to always support and give back to our community and where we come from. I think students and families might find it surprising how strong our arts department is. It's well known that we have strong academics and really enriching science, technology, and math, but I think our arts department is incredibly enriching for all students. I mean, if you want to get involved in visual arts, you can go all the way from oil pastels to acrylic paint and painting on large canvases, or if you want to be involved in vocal music, you can sing in our choir, or you can even play an instrument in our stage band. Or if you want to get involved in drama, you can join our musical theater department. Regardless, our arts department really supports students regardless of artistic abilities, and it really builds character that is it's not it doesn't show in our art, but it builds character, like getting to know new people, and patience, and respect, and you really enjoy and find new parts of yourself that you didn't know you had in you. This may sound a bit cliche, but attending Unionville College really changed my life. I was not as confident of a person before I came in grade five. And I remember my teacher in grade five, my homeroom teacher, told me about a extracurricular called Model UN. And I didn't really know what it was, but I joined anyways because I was a new student and I wanted to meet new people. So after I joined, I learned what it was about. And for those of you who don't know, it's basically an extracurricular where you're able to debate world issues and basically learn about new issues, and you improve your speaking skills as well. And long story short, I did Model UN all throughout my years at Unionville College up until grade 8. And now I still do it. I've done it every single year since 2015 or 2016. And next year, I'm going to be applying for an undergrad in international relations. So, really, without Unionville College and without my homeroom teacher pushing me to do Model United Nations, I would not be able to find out my interests and my career interests and what I want to go into. Honestly, I don't have many suggestions because my experience at UC was absolutely amazing and it made me who I am today. And I wouldn't give up my experience at Unionville College for anything. One thing I would have appreciated a bit more is intermingling between the grades and getting to know a few of the other people, other grades around me in working in the same environment, which we did get a bit of opportunities to get to know other grades in grade 8, but I would have appreciated a bit more of that in grade 6 or grade 5 or grade 7. I remember sitting in class in grade 7 and 8 and complaining about the amount of work that we were receiving for math class or English class. But then the second I stepped foot in high school, I was so grateful for my teachers and the quality of education that we received at Unionville College. Students are so well equipped and prepared for the workload that they face in high school, and they're like usually a lot of the times what happens is students aren't prepared and their grades drop in high school. But Unionville College really prepares you from the get-go, even starting in Montessori to grade 8. Unionville College creates a student that is ready for their future, and and is ready to face the world. um, and I'm really grateful for that. Now looking back at it, I'm so grateful for all of the resources that Unionville College gave me. The first reason is that Unionville College prioritizes you as a student. The administration and staff are there for you to personalize your learning experience to your learning skills and the way that you want to learn. They're there to see you succeed and care about your experience at Unionville College. Second is that Unionville College prepares you for the future. They provide you with resources and equip you with the skills necessary to thrive in high school, university, and employment opportunities. Third is that Unionville College provides you with unmatched, engaging activities for you to have fun, bond with your peers in, and gain valuable skills through school events and extracurriculars. Unionville College is about to become your child's second home. They're about to meet such amazing people, such amazing students and teachers, and they're about to be given such amazing resources and opportunities. They're going to be in an environment where everyone wants to see them thrive and succeed. Most of all, they're going to be able to find new interests and find new things about them. I mean, you'll be coming home one day and your child is going to be telling you about how they tried a new musical instrument or learned a new art medium. Be ready to be impressed by all the new opportunities that your child is going to be given and how well prepared they're going to be for the future. Put yourself out there. I know it sounds scary and daunting, but it's going to be so worth it. If you join a new opportunity, like join the student council election or model UN or join a new sports team, you're going to meet like minded individuals and peers, and you're going to make amazing friends. You'll be able to get to know your teachers and make the fondest memories to look back on after you graduate.
For more information about this school, you can visit their profile at ourkids.net.